I have lots of good news to share, but first of all, thank you so much for all the love and support through your comments and DMs on Instagram and on the comments on YouTube. The last video I made, I was stressing out and I was this close to giving up on my business because I was losing money and I was losing friends. I was lonely, I was feeling alone on my journey. No one was believing in me. And when I was started uploading videos, my video was having just 10 views and I had 9 subscribers the last time I saw. Since everything was going really bad, I stopped looking at it. And one day I came back, my video was doing well. I got 75 subscribers right now. And I have lots and lots of positive comments from you guys. And trust me, those are the comments which brought me back to push myself really hard to actually achieve my goal to be financially free and time free. And most probably in few months, location free, because I'm gonna move to Bali since I've spoken about this in all the video. And the positive news is I did hit my target of 3K a month last month. So I didn't do it in as a single business. I started doing multiple things because my only goal is to make money. It's not about how I make money, but still I did it in an ethical way. I didn't sell my soul by doing OnlyFans management or something. I did do all kind of marketing. That's it. So the first thing I did is the main thing I did is my go high level web design service. So I started selling websites to the local clients, local businesses. And the second thing is social media marketing and graphic design. I actually got this client through a web design project. So after selling them a website, I upsell them social media marketing so that I can get paid in monthly wages. So it's going fine. And I got another client on Upwork, which is a online job platform for a couple of long-term and short-term jobs. I did get a client on that. So I'm getting paid monthly from that client as well. But the client works are really a big pain because you have to make the clients happy. Even if you are doing a good job, they have to be happy with the job. So currently I'm biting my teeth and doing it anyway because I need to hit the target. Eventually I'm gonna get out of it, but right now I need to stick to it. So for that client I'm doing YouTube video editing and graphic designs. And the huge client I got is a web developing job. So it's a funny story and it's a long story, but I'm going to keep it short. So I've known this guy for a couple of years who I used to work out in the gym. And since he was looking for someone to take over the job, he was having trouble with the guy who was supposed to do the job and finish it in a proper time. He was working with that guy for 10 years. Since he knows me, he just gave me the job to do it so that he can see that if I'm doing the job really well. Turns out I did the job really well. I didn't know the software. He said, we are working on this platform and with this codes. I didn't know anything about that. But I didn't say that I can't do it and I don't know anything about this. I said, I'll do it. And I went back home. I studied all the software and I started coding. And it turns out he liked working with me. And I did let him know that I didn't know about the software. I just went back home and studied and finished the job. So he liked the way I was working and he liked that I was open with him. And he fired the guy who was working with him for 10 years and he hired me. So last month he paid me for a week. So from next So from this month, I'm gonna get paid £920 a week. It's a huge amount of money. A couple of months ago, I was working in a housekeeping job and I was getting paid £600 a month. So it's a big step up. Most probably, I'm gonna hit the target of 5K by end of the month. I know that saying this out loud may feel like I'm reaching really high, but since I quit my job and started this YouTube channel, and I'm actually having a conversation with you guys, I'm not just recording videos and uploading to them. So I'm actually having conversation with you guys, and I'm making the reality, and I'm actually bringing it in real life. So I'm really thankful for you guys to sticking with me and staying connected with me by messaging me on Instagram and comment sections. You do have lots of questions. I'm trying to answer everything I can possibly can, but I'm gonna make a separate video on how to make money in a proper way. It turns out people are fed up about easy tricks and like get rich quick scheme, even though it's not real. Since I'm being honest with you guys, since I'm actually showing you the struggle behind making money, you guys actually like it, and that's why I'm getting lots of views and subscribers and sorry, I'm sick. That's why I'm getting lots of views and subscribers and messages from you guys. I know that you guys are struggling. I've been there and I'm still struggling. I'm not in a good stage. This game is a long game. You never know if you're getting paid by the end of the month. Even last month, even though I got paid £3,000, my goal is 10K. I got up to 3,000 a month, but you never know if you're gonna get the 3,000 the next month, or if you're gonna end up being broke, or if you're gonna make 5K. So this is the joy, this is the fun. You never know what's gonna happen. You still keep on doing it, and you don't actually like doing it some days. Even today, I woke up, I had a sore throat, I didn't care. I took a cold shower, I went to the gym, I came back, I started working on my business. So you shouldn't act on your feelings. It should act on what you have to do at that day. No one cares if you're having a bad day. You just have to do it. It's simple. I don't know what to say. And once again, thank you so much for sticking with me on my toughest time. I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna get up to 5K by end of the month, and I'm gonna start uploading videos on how to make money on Go High Level. I'm not gonna say that it's easy to make money on Go High Level, but it's simple. It's definitely simple, but it's not at all easy. So I'm gonna start making videos on how to get there quickly as possible without making any mistakes that I did, so you can have a clear vision of what you have to do and when you have to do to get to your goals. Maybe your goal is like make 20K a month or 100K a month. For me, 10K is the first goal, so I'm gonna reach it, and I'm sure that you are in this with me, and I want to see all the people who are in the same mindset to achieve their goals. And if I'm a part of that dream, I'll be so happy. And if you are achieving dream because of me, that's the main thing. Like, that makes me happy and brings me joy. So I'm gonna do everything I can to make my dreams come true and make your dreams come true. So stick with me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like this video so that it's gonna reach more people with our same mindset, and people can join me and join us to make this dream come to real life. So see you guys next week.